Media and Information Literacy, or also known as MIL, is an umbrella concept that covers three often clearly distinguished dimensions. As UNESCO highlights, MIL brings together stakeholders including the individuals and communications nations to contribute to information society. Critical thinking is invaluable for citizens, especially for young learners, who also need to be able to solve problems, find information, form opinions, evaluate sources, and more. Given the amount of data and truthful and erroneous information, this is available online. MIL is a crucial skill.
Suspect, nagkakalat ng fake news. Suspect, scammer.
Suspect, naka-private yung profile. Suspect, hindi namimigay ng password. Suspect, pinick out sa school kasi nag-plagiarism. Suspect, pinagalitan kasi gumagamit ng AI.